Hey friends, it's Miss Rachel here, and I just wanted to check in and see how you're doing at home. Some of you may know me as the person that does emotes, bully prevention, or Mind Up. And it's my job to make sure that your social and emotional well-being is taken care of. And so I decided that I would read a few books on how we can kind of help with that. And one of the books that I chose today is How Are You Peeling Instead of Feeling? It's kind of a cool book about how you're feeling, and let's get going and we can talk about it a little bit afterwards. How are you peeling? Foods with moods. Look at all the vegetables, pretty cool. How are you feeling? Happy, sad, feeling blue, feeling bad? Can a gentle, smiling friend try to cheer you up again? When you have to wait because someone is late, are you bored, jumpy, worried, grumpy, excited as the minutes pass? Now your friend is here at last. And some of our friends we can't see right now, but you can definitely talk to them on the computer and FaceTime, so it's nice to connect that way with friends. How are you when friends drop by? With someone new? A little shy? Don't belong? Not for long. They're in a group. Feel secure or not so sure? And we all feel like that sometimes. Amused, confused, frustrated, surprised. Try these feelings on for size. How are you feeling? When you're attacked, do you react? Sometimes I do. Sometimes I get sad, or sometimes I get angry, or sometimes I even cry. How do you feel when someone is mean, timid, bold, or in between? When you're angry, do you pout, whine, cry, scream, or shout? Sometimes it's good to get our feelings out if we're frustrated or upset. Feeling sorry and ashamed or embarrassed to be blamed? Jealous? We can all feel like that sometimes. Disappointed too? When you are hurt, who comforts you? My dog usually comforts me, or some of my family. So many smiles. Can you decide who's feeling safe, who's feeling pride? Wired, tired, need a kiss? Do you know anyone like this? Everybody needs a hug. Do you let your feelings show? Who do you love? How do they know? When how you feel is understood, you have a friend, and that feels good. How are you feeling? The end. And I really picked this book because it's important to know that we should talk about our feelings, and especially now that we're home and kind of the uncertainty of everything that's going on, we should get with somebody that we can talk to, like a friend on the computer, or your parents, or a sibling, brother, sister, and make sure that you're taking care of yourself, friends. Miss you so much, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.